Hi guys, my name is Zubani and I am here to share a couple of tips on how to become a content creator in 2026. Now, I'm not a very big content creator, or I won't even call myself an influencer right now, but I would actually share few tips which I made as a mistake, and you shouldn't if you are in this journey. And believe it or not, if you follow this, you will become a good content creator, or I can guarantee this, the start of your content creation would be really good and you will achieve something. So, here, let's go and let me share a couple of tips. I started with content creation very recent. But if somebody would have told me that this is what you should have done, that's what you should have done, I would have followed that. And the main thing is to start earning, you don't need to wait for the monetization. That will eventually happen. But there are other methods through which you can earn, and that will help you grow as well. Your videos will get better. So let's start with that. I'll share those tips, and if you have any more questions on anything as such, do let me know. I can make another video or I can share a few details over email. So you have to just comment and let me know those things. Okay, now the first thing, the most important thing that you will be doing after creating your channel is picking your niche. Now, initially, you might be a bit confused on what you should be picking, which path to choose or not. So, treat your niche as the playground. What you can do is you can pick something which you enjoy doing, which you like, and you can just carry on by making videos. Start with shorts. Do not jump into long videos typically. Start with shorts always, because the attention span for people has gone a lot down. So that does affect. So when you're picking a niche, starting, just play around with a couple of videos, see what people are interested in watching, what people are interested in not watching, and then what that'll happen eventually is that will let you know that, oh, this is the path that I should be choosing. So do that. And also another tip on that, when you're picking a niche, make sure you're picking something that is of your interest. Okay, you don't choose something that does not suit you or that you are not excited to talk about. Like, you love to get dressed, right? You can share how to get dressed, get ready with me, or anything as such. But if you are one of those who just wants to put a jeans and tee and just go anywhere and does not care about recording WhatsApp, please do not go in that niche. Okay, do not. It's a wrong choice. So always pick something that's like your hobby, or that is something that excites you. That will eventually help you grow, and it will not end like your 9 to 5 job. So just remember that a niche is important, but that should be something that helps and excites you. Okay, second thing is, when you're creating a video after picking a niche, so divide the videos in three things. Okay, one, that will grow your channel for your audience once you have tested what is working for you. Then second thing, for your introduction, like what you like, who you are, and whatever. And then the third would be something that you're interested in doing, maybe travel or skincare or whatever, right? So you will be dependent on your hobby or occupation thing for growing. Okay, something that is for the growth of your channel, that you should never divert. Okay, the other videos where you are showing that this is me, and you love to talk about something XYZ, right? So that would be something that even if you're not getting views on that, you should not be upset, because that you did for yourself. You wanted the world to know. Now, the third thing, where you are just vlogging, for example, you're traveling somewhere, you're using some skincare, right? So your audience will be different there. Even if you have a lot of views there, less views there, do not be disheartened or do not be overexcited and change your niche. No, keep it that way. Just follow whatever is going right in that zone. Okay? Now, after posting one video, you cannot think that, oh, my video is not good, it did not get a lot of views and everything. No, just post, right? Just start posting. And after posting for 30 days, right? 30 days, just see what your analytics says, right? How it is going, what's working for you, what's not working for you, right? And you will see that your videos are getting better and better with each day. So that's the winning point. So you should always keep a track of how your growth is going to happen or where I was on day 1 and in day 30 where I am. And believe it or not, slow growth, slow process is the best because you keep learning a lot and eventually you get the best from all your learnings from all the different departments, right? So, slow process is the best process. You might not believe right now, but eventually you will. Okay, now this is the most important one. When you are starting the content creation, you have picked up your niche, you know how to grow your channel and everything. And the third thing comes like, what about relatives? Will people think, am I being too cringe or something? Just throw them out of your mind. You don't need to think what others will think. They are not paying your bill. So why you should be even worried about that, right? So, but even if you're worried, right? Do not let anyone know that you're starting a channel. Do not share your videos or anything with them because ultimately what might happen is they might subscribe, right? But they're just watching you or they might not watch you. So that will ultimately reduce your watch and subscriber ratio, which is not a good thing. That's one of the biggest mistakes that I did and I learned a lot. So please don't do that. And also, if you think that somebody is keeping an eye on you through your videos, just block them. You have the power. But nothing is cringe because those things will ultimately help you pay your bill. Remember this, always remember this. Ignore people, don't care about people, don't give a shit about people. Just follow what your heart and mind says and do that. Now, the next step, right? Multi-platform strategy. So it's like there are many platforms, right? And you have to post there, right? So what you should do is you should just create one format, maybe 9:16 format, and then you should use one tool that you can use to post across all the platforms, YouTube, Insta, and TikTok. So I do use a tool. So I just create my videos using those tools for 9:16 and then I just post it across all the 3 channels. It gets very, very easy. In fact, for the long form videos also, what I do is I just pick the, I just give something to the tool and they just give me the short form and I post it. And this is not my first channel. I have other channels as well. You will come to know eventually. But after going through those channels, I thought that I should have something where I can be myself, I can show my face, and I can talk to people. And here I am. And in the beginning, I know it will get difficult when the views don't come or when there might be something negatives there and all. So do not let them lead on your mindset. Be prepared for that because eventually I know people for whom it has gotten difficult to tolerate those negatives, and then also what happens is people don't support you. Your friends, your family, they are like, oh, your content is not good, I'm not liking it, so why should I share and why should I like or XYZ. But think that let it be, just let it be, just go with the flow. Think about your goals, set your goals. Do not deviate from those goals. Those are the things which would matter the most, not the bullshit. Okay, ignore all those things. Just don't ignore the views, just make sure your next videos are better. Okay, but I would say ignore the people who are not supporting you right now. They will eventually come back and then it'll be your time. Okay, so just focus on your goal, focus on yourself, focus on your content growth. That's all will matter. That all should matter in 2026. It's for yourself. Okay, now enough talk about the content creation and the tips and everything. Now let's come to monetization. So initially monetization will take time, but it will happen if you are consistent, and even if the growth is slow, that's the best kind of growth. So do not ignore that or do not be disheartened. But if you are looking for immediate monetization, right, I would say focus on Instagram. The reason is because 60 to 80% of the brand deals component, right, those come from Instagram. So if you are regular with Instagram and if you are aware what are the brands those provide deals, you connect with them, right, eventually you are gonna start earning. I have done like that. So I started posting on Instagram as well, and I started posting for few other brands. I started mailing the brands, and then that's how. So I started earning using that. So you can do that. Then the other revenue stream is Amazon affiliates. It's amazing. Just go to Amazon, create your store, have all the products which you like or which you want to share with the world. Start promoting those using your videos, or start creating videos on that. If people like those products, they will buy it, and each buying earns you a commission, which is a very big deal. If you want to know the complete process, I can create another video, but there are many videos also you can just see. But you can do that. That's really, really important, and that's very useful. Trust me on that. And the consistency does not help you get monetized in the platform as well, but it will help you get brand deals. So couple of brand deals you will get who would want you to post daily. Okay, if you are consistent and if you catch their eye, they will be sharing products with you, and you can just easily create videos. There are n number of videos you can just figure out. Don't be scared that, oh, I cannot do this. No, you can do everything. Just believe yourself. Manifestation, that's the power. So just do that. Grab it first. Okay, do not say no. Grab it first. Okay, and then start doing research. How can I create videos, or how can I do things on that? And eventually you will be there. Then the platform pay usually happens with YouTube AdSense, then TikTok partner program. So those things will happen, and there's an option of getting monetized on Instagram also. If you check that option, right? So there will be options on how you can start earning. There are a lot of brand deals there directly. So just go for it. Keep an eye for those things, and then you will start earning. Another way is there are daily face cream, daily toothpaste, or anything, whatever you're using maybe, right? So you can start shooting that as well. Get the approval from the brand. You can just post it. Anyways, you're not charging any money for that, right? So if they're looking for people to advertise them, they can just say yes. Or if they like the video, they can just say yes. So these are the things that also happens. And that's how you grow. You are creating the videos which other brands will see and approach you that, oh, you can create good videos, you have nice videos, you have good skills. That's it. There, your content creation has started. This will be the format for UGC. This will be the format for any other modeling. And okay, just go for the brands which you think are good for you, or reach out to the brands by yourself. So do not wait for them to reach out, because sometimes even if you're not getting paid, they will send products to you. You can just create videos for them, or just click pictures and tag them. That will add to your portfolio. So anything that's coming to you, do not say no. That's really, really important while you're growing in this journey. So initially, do not focus on getting a lot of equipments. All you need is a mobile phone and your surrounding, okay, and tripod. Very important, so that you can record yourself wherever needed. If you want a big tripod, that's good. If you want a tripod that can fold itself, a small one, that's also amazing. Apart from this, nothing else. And while recording, just make sure that your sound quality is good, and that's it. That's all you have to do. Also remember that you should be engaging with people. So whenever you post a short form or a long form video, make sure that you are pinning a comment, so that people start talking about their experience or anything as such. That will help you eventually build a community. That is an important thing. The reason is because your videos might get a number of likes, but it will matter a lot more when you have shares or you have saves on those videos, because ultimately that's like a pyramid chain that's going to multiple people, right? And millions, right? So eventually that will help you grow, that will help you bring subscribers and views. So remember that. Just give a heart, just give a like on the comments that you receive. People love when you respond them, and in this world of AI, a small human interaction makes everyone happy. So just trust your content, trust yourself, do not give up, even if it's disheartening at times, or if you think you're not made for this. No, choose your hobby, choose something that excites you, and you are good to go. So let me know if you want me to share anything, any tips, or any other information that I can share over the comments. Just tag me. I do respond to each and every comment, so I will do that. I'll make sure that if you ask anything, there's a response as well. Yep, so that's all for today. I will see you in my next video. So till then, bye.